How's it going? Chad here. Just want to show the cisterns. I finished plumbing these in here. Got a 2-inch line coming through on the bottom. Went 8 inches up, about 7 inches up off the bottom. I don't know if that's. I probably would have went lower, a little bit lower, maybe 5 inches. But it's all said and done. Then we have an extension and then a little shut off so that if we ever add a cistern, it'll be easy to install, so we don't have to shut the water or the cut into the tanks. That would be a huge mess. So I decided to go with poly pipe, which I'm a little on the fence about if I would ever do that again. See, originally I thought we were gonna come out like right here in the gap, so it would need a little bend or flexible pipe there, but we ended up going out of the front into these spots, so we really could have used PVC pipe and it would have been a little more stable. But I don't know, we'll see. We have to check for leaks and all that. And then it goes into a T in the middle of the cisterns going into a 1-inch into the house. So this is all 2-inch. These little gaskets are kind of nice instead of the bulkhead fittings. You literally just drill a hole into the cistern and then pop the gasket in and pop the pipe in, put a little soap on it and slip it in. Works pretty good. I'll let you know if there's any leaks. We decided to do an overflow as well on this, with a check valve, so it's like a sewer drain. The reason for that is we just wanted to make sure that obviously nothing gets back into the cisterns. So every time this opens, you can see there's like a little valve in there that it's like just a little check valve. And we're actually going to use these tanks here to do the overflow. So the overflow is going to come out here, drop into some more tanks that aren't for drinking water, and it's going to go along here. We're going to do about 4, so we're going to have an extra 1,000 gallons of water that then is going to be plumbed in the house for the cisterns, or I'm sorry, for the planters, or also the outside. We're going to have some faucets on the outside as well, so it's going to be nice to have that extra water just in case, because if we get 2 inches of rain, it'll fill all this 5,000 gallons of water. So if it's, 3/4 away full and we get an inch of rain, it's going to overflow. And so it'll be nice to capture some of this extra water. I'll show how that works once we fill this thing up.